Good morning, students. We have completed our third chapter, Civics and Citizens. Now I'm going to give the answers of this chapter. Let's start from the exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Providing education to the citizens is a part of B. Civics. 2. Cleaning roads, streets and public places come under civic sense. Third, we should cast our votes for dash candidates. C. Eligible and qualified. Fourth, what are the characteristics of good neighbors? The answer is both A and B, means being helpful and being friendly. Now come to the question number B, fill in the blanks. 1. During ancient time, dash in Greece defined civics. The answer is Confucius in China and Plato. 2. Civic sense refers to the duty of an individual towards dash, the society. 3. The dash of a country must be loyal to their country. The answer is citizens. 4. The people who live near our house are called our neighbors. And the last 5. Dash is an important duty of citizens of a democratic society. The answer is voting. Now C. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1. We should always maintain a peaceful environment at public places. Yes, true. Number 2. Proper education helps to encourage civic sense among children. Yes, it is also true statement. Write T, true. 3. A citizen should participate in elections. Yes, true. 4. Good neighbors help one another in times of need. Yes, true. 5th, all the citizens of a democratic country cannot oppose the decisions taken by the government. True. Now D number, match the following. 1. Confucius, China. 2. Expenditure on defense, taxes. 3. Separatism, A. Lack of civic sense. 4. Voting, B. 18 years. And 5th, all neighbors, C. Neighborhood. Now come to the last question number E. Answers these questions. This question answer you will do in your rough notebook. Okay. Now number 1. What is civics? Civics is the study of various aspects of citizenships, its rights and duties, the duties of citizens to themselves and to the nation. Now question number 2. What do you mean by civic sense? Its answer on the page number 23. The duty of an individual towards the society is called civic sense. Now come to the question number 3. Who have the right to vote in a democratic country? And it's given on the page number 24. All citizens who have completed the age of 18 years have the right to vote. Now, 4th number, what are taxes? Give examples. Come to the page number 24. Answer is here. Taxes are the financial contribution people make for living in a civilized society. And the example is, for example, the enforcement of law and public order, expenditure on defense, protection of property, economic infrastructure, and public works and subsides, etc. And the last question number 5. What are the qualities of a good neighbor? Here is the answer. The qualities of a good neighbor, the point wise. First is helpful and friendly. 2. Does not disturb his or her neighbors. 3. Keeps his or her neighborhood clean. And the last, takes care of old people, disabled and poor people. This is your revision part. So A, B, C and D you have to learn. Okay. And the question answer you have to write in your rough notebook as a holiday homework. Thank you.